Welcome back to Roaming with Moose. It's Heather here. We've been out in Utah. We've been camped here for a couple of days now. If you missed it, we did post a video, last video, all about our road trip from California to Utah. So we are still in the same spot. We've been here for about a couple days now. I'm gonna be honest with you guys, it has been a week. It's just been one of those weeks that has been challenging, stressful, just not a great experience if you couldn't tell from the way that I looked. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna clean the bus and we're gonna talk about some of the challenges that come with living in such a small space. I do not want to do this. Like, it is taking everything in me to clean the bus today, but I know that once it is clean, things will be a lot better. This is gonna suck. I think people tend to look through rose-colored glasses when it comes to living on the road. It's like this, like freedom, and it is. And while it is really great, it also is extremely challenging. And I do want to clarify, this is just our experience personally, and this is what we experience in our vehicle. But I do feel like when the bus is in disarray, our mental health just plummets. It's like, when you only have 100 feet of livable space, when you live tiny, everything just piles on itself rapidly. One of the biggest challenges that we are facing currently living in the bus is dust. Never in my life, when we were starting this bus journey, building the bus, did I ever think that dust and dirt and air quality would be at the top of our list for problems. Like, that was just something that we never thought of. But especially now that we're in the Southwest, there is this clay, and when it dries, it is a red powder, and it's everywhere. And that's only the part we could see. I'm sure it's probably on the ceiling and everything.
The cleaning is one thing, and you try to stay on top of it as the days go on, and inevitably you get to a day like today where you gotta get into everywhere.
Hey! It's exhausting sometimes. It feels completely non-stop, even when you are resting. There's always something to think about. There's always something to do, maintain, upkeep, clean. It just feels never ending.
This section's done, I think. Golly.
Are you okay? I think what I'm really trying to get at is that while a lot of times this life is glamorized or put on this exciting pedestal of this is so great all the time, everything is awesome, the reality is that it's hard. It's physically challenging, it's I think more mentally challenging, but this lifestyle is so difficult, and then when it's tough, it's really tough.
It's also been a string of a dozen rainy days in a row. We have just been cooped up in this bus because of the rain, and I feel like my body is very stiff right now. A little achy.
Yeah, very achy.
That's another thing too with the rain. Gotta keep the windows closed when it's raining so you can't get airflow and keep, whatever dust buildup there is flowing out of the bus.
This is what the bus is looking like so far. We did This back area, so that's all done. Cleaned out the fireplace, cleaned Moose and Maple's bed, and then we just dusted all of the... Our coffee area tends to get so gross every single day because, like, when you grind the beans, all of the grinds go everywhere, so this is probably gonna look like this for just today, but it still looks very nice. An all-day affair. I think when you live small, everything is heightened. Like, all of your, like, reactions are heightened because you only have so much space. So when it feels like a lot is going on, it feels like everything is on top of you. The walls are closing in, because it's like, this is all we have. Just this 100 square foot space. So when we first did the bus, I got these cushions on Amazon. And they've definitely seen better days.
Yeah, we're getting rid of all these cushions and covers. We're getting thicker foam for next time, and we are covering them in a material that like a pleather or something, that outdoor fabric that won't get dust.
Something that you can kind of like wipe off.
Yeah.
Like, this is cotton. I mean, they were cute, but also, like, Joe, like, says there's, like, no support when he sits to do his work, so...
My tailbone hurts, like,
yeah,
constantly, every day.
So these are just things that, like, you know, you kind of live and you learn, but
ergonomic.
They were cheap, and they held us a year, so...
I don't know if they held the full year. I think they'll be out on 6-7 months.
Yeah, and the problem we had, too, is, like, when we would wash them, we would take the covers off, but then every time we washed them, they would shrink, and then they just never fit.
Warp.
Yeah, they would never fit on the, like, cheap foam.
Yeah, so, yeah.
Hey, you know, you live and you learn, you know. Please. Good boy. Oh, okay. All right. They want your icy.
You can't have it. This is only for people who helped clean the bus, not for dusty dogs. Nope. Oh, no!
Oh. No, buddy.
You made her mad. You can't just start humping things. Yeah, get him. Kill him. Yeah. Show him who's boss. I'll let nobody do that to you. Hey! That's enough. See what I mean? Cooped up.
Yeah. Alright.
We're just gonna finish tidying up. We'll see you in a second. And that's it. It has been a very long day today, but the bus is clean, our surfaces are more or less free of dust, got the back door open, airing everything out. All is right in the kingdom. Well, with that, I'm gonna have to kick you out of our bus for now. But thanks for tuning in to Roaming with Moose.